Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did my quarantine nails with you guys and they grown a bit, so I chopped them off, and after a month they all came off from my hand. So now I'll share with you what I did after this. So let's get started. So I'll try to use only things that are easily available. So here I soaked my nails in water. Water will make my cuticle softer and it will come off easily. So I'm using a metallic cuticle pusher because wooden one is giving me a hard time. My nails are wet and wooden one is getting softer. Yeah, so my suggestion is do not put much pressure on your nail because your cuticle area is delicate and when it's wet it gets softer. So try to be gentle around your cuticle area and do not push too hard your cuticle pusher because you don't want to see red cuticles, right? Now I'll take a nail clipper and remove all the scraped dead skin, or you can say dead cuticles. Let's zoom it in so you can see what I did so far. So I'll chop my nails because they're looking dead and they're as thin as a paper. So this step is not necessary, but there is some leftover nail glue on my nails which needs to be removed. So yeah, that's why I'm filing my nails here. Little bit of shaping and filing is must. So it's time to buff my nails, and I really don't like buffing my nails because buffer makes your nails weaker. So if you are using a buffer on your natural nails, please don't do that. So why I'm using a buffer, because I applied acrylic nail and before applying those nails I had to file my nails, so that made my nail flaky. So buffing is the only option I have right now. So let's sanitize and clean the dust. creams are must for hydration and they protect your nails too. Nykaa one does that, but I am run out of that one, so I'm using this Xiaomi one, and this one smells really good and give me a nice hydration too, so yeah, I'm using this one. This is the last step, nail oil. I'll give my nails and cuticle a good oil massage. I made this oil for myself because I couldn't find the perfect one. If you want a video on this, do let me know, and for any information please do check the info box below. They are looking prepped and hydrated perfectly. Do subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.